Hi, Barry Cross. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, going to look at affiliate marketing ebooks for beginners. And I'm going to share with you 4 ebooks that have helped me generate leads, traffic, and sales. The links will be in the description for all 4 of these ebooks. I'm going to give you a brief overview today of each one and show you a little bit of the proof. And the first one is called Secrets of the Big Dogs. And what I like about Secrets of the Big Dogs is that it solves the biggest 3 problems that we have when we come online as new affiliate and beginner affiliate marketers. So the first one is it solves the traffic problem. And what it does, it teaches you how to generate steady supply of up to 5 million quality targeted prospects every single month, because traffic is really hard to come by and get and know what to do when you first start affiliate marketing online. The second problem we have is earning not just instant commissions, but generating monthly recurring automated residual income streams. And the ebook tells you all about how to realistically generate over a dozen automated monthly residual income streams. And time is also a big issue when you first start, learning how to put all the pieces of the jigsaw together, what works, what doesn't work. So this is a proven system that takes only half an hour a day. So if you're busy like me with a full-time job, a relationship, family, friends, children, grandchildren, hobbies, then this half an hour a day system works really well. And it does convert. I've just started now promoting this Secrets of the Big Dogs, and I've already got some commissions. You'll see if you're a new viewer today, then you'll see um, that my videos here I've just done recently on Secrets of the Big Dogs. The commissions, these are ClickBank commissions. This is sort of a byproduct of what's in the system, but you'll see there that I'm already starting to get some ClickBank commissions from promoting Secrets of the Big Dogs. But ClickBank commissions is not what the book is all about. Click the link in the description and have a look and see if that's something of interest to you. But I'm starting to follow the strategies, and I really, really love the ebook. It's probably the best one that I've bought since I started affiliate marketing online. And the next one is called Instant Traffic Secrets. This is an ebook written by Darren Olander, and he's a 15-year veteran in the affiliate marketing industry. And he's a 7-figure earner in affiliate marketing. He's the owner of several products and programs. And again, if you're a new viewer, then I'll just show you some proof, because Darren owns the prosperity marketing system. And I'll just show you now. I'm live in my Gmail account here. And if I go into my prosperity marketing system listings, you'll see here that by following the strategies in the Instant Traffic Secrets ebook, then I've been getting following Darren Olander, I've been getting monthly recurring commissions every single month, 100% recurring commissions from the prosperity marketing system. So I've got other videos on my channel on the prosperity marketing system if you want to go and look at those. And what you'll also see is that on my channel, within the prosperity marketing system, there are it's a done for you funnel, and I'm also getting other commissions. Easy cash for ads is in my prosperity marketing system funnel. You'll see commissions there. Lead skim as a product, you'll see commissions there. I'm earning from the funnel. So the actual strategies that Darren teaches, this commission here, all of these were contributed by the actual strategies that Darren teaches within that instant traffic secret ebook. So you can learn from a 15-year veteran, a seven-figure earner with instant traffic secret. And the next book I want to share with you is One Sign Up a Day Strategy 2.0 version. All you need to do is click the link in the description. You can either download it for free or you can just click there and read it online. This is related to Leads Leap. And Leads Leap, if you're not familiar with it, is totally free to join. It can be forever free. You can get free traffic, you can earn income, and you get every free tool that you need to build an online business. And I'll just show you here. I'm a pro member. You can earn recurring monthly affiliate commissions even if you're a free member with Leads Leap. And I'll just show you here that I'm a pro member. And if I go down into my referrals here, Leads Leap call referrals followers. So if I go into followers here, by following the strategies within this free ebook, you'll see here that with Leads Leap, so they call them followers, they don't call them referrals, they call them followers. My followers. Let's have a look. Is that working? That's working. Oops. Let's just erase that. That's not very very reader friendly. So they call them followers. I'll just underline that. And you'll see here, all right, that's not working very well. Let's just ignore that. We'll go back onto the pencil and you'll see here direct referral. So I've referred 48 Leads Leap members, total 48 here. That's what I've referred. And even if you refer free members and you stay free, if the free members upgrade, you will earn a monthly recurring commission. So Leads Leap is great. The strategies within the ebook actually work. And just click the link in the description. You can read that one. We'll just erase out that one for now. That's just sort of proof there. And I also earn a monthly recurring income from Leads Leap as well. And the last ebook is by a seven-figure earner called Jason Wise. And Jason is the owner of several traffic platforms. And really, as a new affiliate marketer, as a beginner, this is a great ebook to read. 5 things you must do to succeed with free advertising sites. So I can now afford to do some paid traffic, but I still do free traffic as well. And free traffic is how I started. And Jason Wise, again, I think he's a 6-figure affiliate marketer. He owns 2 platforms. Excuse me. And with the link for this one, this report, what he does, he also gives you $300 in free advertising just for reading this report and setting up your own account. So this is well worth reading. The 5 things you must do to succeed with free advertising sites. If you're going to be using lots of free advertising sites, I recommend reading this report as well. So all the links will be in the description for all of these ebooks. The first one, Secrets of the Big Dogs, is $7 to buy. That's a one-time payment. And the other 3 are totally free. And if you've enjoyed the video today, then please give me a like, a big blue thumbs up like. I'd really appreciate that. That'll help support me on my YouTube journey. And please click subscribe and the bell icon for notification of my new videos. I think this might be the I think I've done 500 videos now on the channel. This might be the 500th or the 501st video on the channel. And I do new content every single week on this channel. So thank you very much for taking the time to watch this video today, and I look forward to seeing you in the next one. Thanks a lot, and bye for now.